favorite part that you guys wanted, at least Jay wanted. We have the drop test, liquid drop test. We still have the trash bag in this waste basket. And then, like I said, these are leak proof. And I have a cup of water here. I'm gonna dump this cup of water. Leak proof. As you can see, none of the water is spilling out. Nice, those bags are great. Yes, they are. They are really fantastic. Alright. Again, it's sealed perfectly, as you can see. Drop test for these plastic bags, really durable. I dropped it last time. If it breaks this time, I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Definitely embarrassed. Yeah? Right there. Alright, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, what? Wow. It actually doesn't break. Oh, 10, 9, 4. I'll drop it again. I'll drop it again. I'll drop it again. I'll drop it again. Keep counting. Don't stop counting. I'll keep dropping it. Dude, it still didn't break. That's how durable this is. I'm gonna keep doing this every stream until each and one of you motherfuckers keep. Oh, 2, 1.